1 year ago, Descript summoned Underlord.
Underlord!
And since then, it's lived here, in the top button of the right sidebar. It knew how to do many things, 27 things. But as it lurked there, it learned. And now it's become powerful. Introducing the new Underlord. Gone are the days of restricted buttons. Now Underlord is powered by agentic AI, that thing people won't shut up about. It's an expert agent with access to all of our video editing and generation tools. That means you can tell it what you want to make or how you want to edit. And Underlord will just do it. It knows how, which is nuts. Yes, Underlord can still do all of the things it could do before, all of the things you love about Descript, but now it can do them all at once and with way more nuance. Yes, Underlord can still make clips, but now you can tell it exactly what kind of clips you're looking for. Who's talking? About what? For how long? And what should it look like? For our advanced learners out there, you can create these mega prompts that generate something from nothing, or automate a workflow of a video that you tend to make over and over again. Take it out for a test ride. It's free for the entire month of June. So what will you do with Underlord?